Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to manually connect a custom domain into your Webflow account. So first of all, we will be guided by this article by the Webflow Help Center themselves, which is certified and correct 100%. And the second thing is there is some requirements. Of course, besides having yourself a custom domain name, you would need also to get yourself a premium plan from Webflow. As if I try to add any custom domain from here, you will see that they will be taking me to my site plans, so I can choose the other one since I am now in the starter, and the starter will only be supporting the Webflow.io domain name. So I would need to get myself the premium one, so at least I could work with it, and it has the custom domain feature. So choose the one that is right for you and then follow me as I'm going to show you this one. So how to connect your custom subdomain. To find and connect your custom subdomain, go to your settings page and then click on publishing, then production. Click on add a custom domain, which you could do also from here, and then choose a manually add the domain. Enter the subdomain you want to connect with Webflow. For example, blog.yourdomain.com, click on add domain. Now there is DNS changes may take up to 48 hours to propagate in all geolocations as the DNS cache expires, although this typically occurs within few hours. So before you get started, if you enter the www.subdomain, for example like this will add both the www.subdomain and the root domain, which is yourdomain.com, to your site. If you'd like to connect only with www.subdomain, you can delete the root domain, click more option, and then click remove. Now, how to set your DNS record, which is pretty much the essential thing. So simply follow this. Go to production once more and go to your DNS settings. Create a CNAME record with your subdomain prefix as the host name. If your subdomain is blog.yourdomain.com, the hostname should be blog and the value should be cdn.webflow.com. Then create a txt record with the hostname -webflow and the value shown in site settings beginning with one-time verification code that will be given to you. And once you set that, set it as your default domain and wait around 48 hours and it should work. And yeah, that was pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next upcoming videos.